welcome back. Happy Friday. I know, yay, the weekend is almost here. We are halfway through the day. So, yay. I am really excited. I got my Allure beauty box, as you can see from the title down below. So that is what we are unboxing today, the Allure beauty box for July 2019, and it is in collaboration with Huna Beauty. So I'm excited to see what is in here. I have seen some unboxings. I'm not going to act like I don't know what could be in here, but you know, let's see what I got in my box. So for those of you that are not that familiar, Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $15 a month. You can always get your first box for $10, and usually you get like a little bonus sign-up gift, which is really awesome. So I had a love-hate relationship with Allure when I first signed up, to be completely honest. Their customer service is not the best. With that being said, you can get the subscription through Amazon and you still get your first box for $10 and then $15 a month after that. And the shipping is a lot quicker with Amazon. So this is my first month with Amazon Allure Beauty Box. It's the same box. It's just going through Amazon. So you kind of cut out the actual Allure customer service part of it. Which I think is the best way to go in my personal opinion. So if you don't want a headache, but you want the Allure Beauty Box, sign up through Amazon. Like I said, you can still get your first box for only $10 and then $15 a month after. So plus, like I said, your shipping is much faster, so you will get it earlier in the month. So anyway, without further ado, let's dive on in here. So, how are you all doing? What do you have planned for the weekend? Let me know down below. Let me know what you think of the unboxing. So, here is what we see when we open it. And there is Huna. With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huna Katan of Huna Beauty. And this is her beautiful face right here. So, she is gorgeous. Then we have this. We have one product outside the box, and it looks like we got hot neon pink this month for our bag. So let's start with this product outside the box. And it is from Huna Beauty. And it is a liquid matte lipstick in the shade Alluring. How fitting. And it is an Allure Beauty Box exclusive. Says, let's see, been dying to tell you about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huna Beauty just for your July Beauty Box. And this is the one thing about these little magazines they put in here. This isn't actually telling you about the I mean, it is telling you about the product, but it's actually like an editor or someone from Allure giving you their thoughts on the product. So it says, you can only get this tube of bright matte summer perfection right here. When we first dreamed up this super sexy shade, we made a collage of one of our favorite runway lip trends, and then we passed the baton to Katan. She took our color inspiration to her crack product team and soon shipped her favorite orange red options to our office. It looked amazing on 5 Allure editors with 5 different skin tones, and just like that, Alluring was born. So, here we have this. Packaging is cute. Shake your makeup looks. Oh, hashtag. I'm like, what? So, that is really cute. Apply a thin, even coat, allowing approximately 30 seconds to dry. The color will deepen when set, leaving a transfer-free finish. So here we have it. It is in like a frosted glass tube, which is nice. Oh. Huna Beauty loves Allure. That's cute. So let's do a little swatch. So it's a regular doe foot applicator. Oh, I was honestly a little bit nervous when it said an orangey red, but that is actually really pretty. So let's see how that dries down. So that was our first product, and then we have everything else here in this fluorescent bag. And we have Miss Huda again here in our box. Gorgeous as always. All right, so they've started now. Well, they didn't even put it in the fold over thing or slip through little, I don't know. I'll be honest, it is, I know I said happy Friday, but it's actually about 10:30 on Thursday night, so bear with me. So here you can see we have other items in the bag. Now this, I believe, this is Kayali, I believe, if I'm saying that correctly. This is a perfume Vanilla 28 right here. So it is a little perfume sample. Vanilla Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. And this is, I believe, a collaboration with Huda and her sister, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what I've heard. Katan and her sister Mona launched Kayali fragrances together. And the line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled. The full size, if you got 50 mLs, would be $65 and $118 for 100 mLs. And you can buy it at shophudabeauty.com. Well, let's give it a smell because that sounds like a perfume I would love. And this is something I could just slip in my purse and keep in there. So, oh, that smells so good. Oh, I think I got some in my eye. I think I just like waved some right into my eye right here. That smells amazing. Like, that smells so good. I wish I had a bigger bottle. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Yes, ma'am. All right, so then we have from Huna Beauty a pair of lashes. These are the Samantha number 7 Classic. These are really pretty. Huna Beauty Classic Lashes in Samantha. These false lashes are one of Catan's all-time bestsellers, and it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were wispy and pretty. They looked more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes. And the price is $20, so that right there is more than the cost of the box. So you've already got that. It did not have a price for the lipstick, but I'm sure, I honestly don't know because I don't have it. Well, I do have, I take that back. I did get a Huna Beauty highlight palette in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but prior to that, I had no Huna Beauty products. So I'm not sure, but I would guess $20 to $25 for the liquid lip. So you're already looking at like $40 to $45 just for those 2 products. And then we still have the sample and then other products. So the value is definitely there. Now I don't know if I will keep these. Let me take this off so you can kind of see a little bit better. Well, I don't know that you're going to see better because they're still, but they are really pretty. They do just look a little bit long, which I mean, I know I could trim them, but I really don't wear false lashes that much. So I may stick these in a future giveaway. I'm not sure yet. So just be on the lookout for that. And then I see a brand that is one of my favorites. So let's find that. If I can get it out. And that is the Way Hair Care. This is the texturizing hairspray. I love Way. Way is like seriously one of my favorites. Now the full size is $26. And this is, the full size is 4.5 ounces. This is 1.4. So this is about a quarter or so of the full size. So you're looking about $5 for this right here. So that's not bad. Let's see. Jen Atkin, the hairstylist behind Way, is a master of full sultry waves, so it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind. A lot of others attempt to create beachy bends, but just leave my hair crunchy or exactly the same. This formula gave me pretty soft volume all over. So, the Way texturizing hairspray. Yay! And I'm sure it's going to smell amazing like all Way products, but I am still just living in this vanilla dream right now from that perfume, so I'm not going to spray it. And then we have, and I am actually quite excited for this, the Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. This obviously is full size. This is $10. I know it sounds gross and sticky, but the sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail mucin, a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, some other big word I cannot even attempt, hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. And that's actually from a dermatologist that said all that. The powerful cocktail helps soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. That means this sheet mask does everything a good sheet mask should: make skin radiant quickly and then some. So I am actually really excited to try this, and I may give this a go. It's a gold 24 karat snail hydrogel mask. So yeah, I may be doing this after this video. If I do, I will post on Instagram. So I'm excited for this guy. So, I mean, the value of the box is definitely there this month. Anytime they do a collab, it's always there. And even sometimes when they don't do collabs, it's there. So if you're on the fence about Allure, I definitely do recommend it. But I recommend you go through Amazon to avoid the frustration of Allure, to be just flat out honest. And then it looks like we could have received, I believe, one of 3 other items. It would have just been a variation. You could have received the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Benefit Brow Cream Gel Brow Color. It's late, y'all. Sorry. Or the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. Now, I received the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I feel like I have gotten this in Allure before, so I don't know if this is a repeat. I think I've gotten this in like Sephora Play or Ipsy, but I'm pretty sure that this has been in Allure before. So, and not that long ago, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm feeling like this is a repeat. It is a really good primer, so I'm not knocking that. I just feel like, again, it's a repeat. So I actually will probably stick this to the side for a future giveaway. I have a surplus of like full-size primers right now. I do, again, know this is a really good one, so hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it. So like I said, this will go into my giveaway stash, so look out for it in a future giveaway. So to recap, we got the Hangover RX Primer from Too Faced. And just to let you know, the full size of this is $34. And like I said, this is a really good primer. And so we got that. We got the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. We got the Huda Beauty lashes, the Samantha Classic Lashes, the Way Texturizing Hairspray, the Tony Moly Snail Hydrogel Mask, which it's folded, so it's like, yeah. And this that I am still basking in, you guys, this amazing smelling perfume. So I may have to check out the website. Shh, don't tell my husband. Because this literally smells so good. So, all right, that was everything. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your experience if you do get Allure. with their customer service. Have you switched and made the transition to Amazon? Like I said, this is my first month doing it with Amazon. I actually signed up a little later into the month, so I would have actually had my box quicker had I signed up at the very beginning, like on the 1st. So yeah. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will leave a link to the Amazon Allure down below, so head over and check that out. And let me know your thoughts. And you guys, if you're new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you. We do all kinds of fun stuff here, tons of unboxings, live streams, sneak peek videos, giveaways, which we are so close, so close to 4,000 subscribers, and I have all the goodies. Everything has come in that I've ordered. Everything is ready to go, so we just got to get to 4K and have that giveaway. We just had our 3K end. Again, congratulations to Carolyn Cole. She won the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I love you all. Thank you all so much for your love and support. It means the world to me. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.